Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels, a silk beige MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, sunroof, rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 34,058 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.